What's a house rule you thought was annoying or hated as a child, but you swear by now as an adult? My whole family cleans every night for 10, 15 minutes. We each pick a room and attack it for a short time. Then, on Sunday Funday, we do the deeper cleaning. I found that adding the nightly power clean, where each of us dedicates roughly an hour a week to the house, cuts the big deep clean event from approximately 4 hours to something like 1.5 hours. Also, since it's a collaborative team effort, we've found a ton of efficiencies for each other and ourselves. We've gotten markedly better at working together through the shared labor as well.